Hello everyone, I am making Asian butter chicken, a favorite chicken dish here in Kuala Lumpur that is creamy and absolutely delicious. I use chicken breast for this recipe and I marinate it with cornstarch, mustard powder, onion powder, garlic powder, white pepper powder and salt. I marinate the chicken for 30 minutes. Then I heat vegetable oil and deep fry the chicken for about 7 minutes. Once it cooks, I set it aside. Then using about 2 tablespoons of oil from frying chicken, I add generous amount of butter, and when it starts to sizzle, I fry until fragrant some bird's eye chilies, garlic and curry leaves. Then I add some evaporated milk and some chicken stock. I add a bit of salt and cornstarch slurry. I stir until the sauce starts to thicken. And then I add the chicken. I stir for another minute, then I turn off the heat. This butter chicken is so delicious with a bowl of rice. I hope you try this yummy recipe.